And turn the saw on first. Alright, there you go. Now nice and easy, just push it through. There you go. You're pushing it that way too, so you're holding it in tight to the fence and slide it through there. Keep your thumb up here. Stop and turn that off. Okay, put your hand back up here again. When you're done, always take your hand up like this. So you took your hand and kind of went over like that. Always take your hand straight up and away from the machine like this. That way you don't run the risk of putting your fingers across that blade anywhere ever. Got it? Okay. Makes pretty good sense. So that is your push stick. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
The safest thing you can use in the shop.
Yeah.